Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm finally doing this, and I can't believe I'm finally doing this. I've mentioned it in previous videos. We are going to do a What Sold video. It's been a super long time since we've done one. It's just been busy. We just got back from vacation a little bit ago, and I've been thinking about doing What Sold videos again. Sometimes you like them, sometimes you don't, but we'd like to show you guys what we have sold, because maybe while you're outsourcing, you could find one of these items and turn around and sell it on eBay for a profit. As I was sitting on the plane, I jotted down some ideas, and one of them was the What Sold videos. And honestly, we've sold a lot of stuff, and some good stuff too. In this video, we're going to show you 16 things that we've sold over the last few weeks or so. Before we get into that, if this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And also comment down below if you have found one of these items out there, or if one of these items is something you like to sell. So the first thing we sold was this Disney Scentsy wax warmer melter, Dumbo the elephant, brand new in box. We picked up a bunch of the Scentsy stuff at our local community sale. Somebody had a ton of it, all brand new, and we didn't have much left on us. We only had about $50 left on us. We made them an offer on it. Honestly, lower offer than I really wanted to. I would have probably offered more if I had it, but they accepted. They were happy with it. I think they just wanted to move the stuff, and they even threw a couple wax melts in for free, which we think we sold one so far. That maybe that's in this video. I can't remember which ones I put here, but we ended up getting $35 plus shipping for this one. Now I know there's another Scentsy item that we sold, which will be coming up here in a few pictures, but yeah, 35 bucks. Keep your eyes out for Scentsy stuff. Also, keep your eyes out for Disney stuff, because guys, you know we love Disney. We just came back from Disney, and Disney stuff sells. This next item was a fun one. This was a pair of Pittsburgh Steelers men's size 38 shorts. This came in a huge bulk buy that we just got. It's closed where I filled the back of my car. I'll put a link to the video down below in the description. Go check it out. It was a crazy haul. I even left stuff there because I just couldn't fit it. And a lot of the stuff was super dirty, but a lot of the stuff cleaned up. So we ended up getting $7.99 plus shipping on these. There's so many closed to list. We've got a bunch listed. We've sold a few things already, which I think is another thing in this video maybe. I'm not 100% sure what's all in this video, but I know there's 16 items. So yeah, $7.99 plus shipping. Keep your eyes out right now, because football stuff is going to sell. The NFL season's getting ready to start, and people want this stuff. Now shorts is a little bit different, because a lot of places you can't wear shorts in the winter, and Pittsburgh's one of them. So, but there are some crazy Yinzers who will wear shorts in the winter, so maybe that's where this was going. Now this next item was one of these items that have sat around in my room for about a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. We picked it up in a community sale probably about 2 years ago, and I paid $5 for this thing. I picked it up and I listed the price high, thinking that somebody was going to grab it because this was the only one listed on eBay. I was wrong. I don't even think we got one offer the whole time. So we finally got an offer after 2 years for $65 plus shipping. And I thought to myself, guys, I have $5 into this. Let's flip it. Let's move it. Let's get it out of here. So we did. $65 plus shipping. The only pain with this thing was it was a pain in the rear to ship. 24 by 16 framed was pretty big, so the shipping cost a little bit more. I think it ended up costing a little bit more than I charged, but it made it there safe, and I'm glad it's out of here. As I mentioned previously in this video, here's another Disney Scentsy. This is the Dumbo Scentsy Buddy. This is basically like a stuffed plush where you put some scented like fragrances inside, heat it up, and it can calm kids down. This one's retired. This one sells pretty good. $40.99 plus shipping. Now guys, like I mentioned before, we paid $50 for everything. This item and the last item that I showed you paid for the whole lot. So now everything after that is basically profit. Plus the yard sale is only about a quarter mile from my house, so it's pretty good. Guys, I mentioned this in previous videos too. This is something that I love to sell, is these Instapots. This is Instapot replacement 8-quart inner pot. $17.01. Guys, Instapots sell. Instapots sell whole. Instapots sell when you part them out. You might find an Instapot that might not be working or has a piece that's broken. Take it apart, sell the pieces individually, because guys, people are always buying them. People are buying them to fix their Instapots. This is one of those items that I will pick up when I can find it. I picked up one recently for $5. I even flipped it at my yard sale for $20. So can't beat it. Keep your eyes out for Instapots. These are just like bread makers, in my opinion. I guess I put some Scentsy stuff in this video. Another Scentsy stuff. This was the drive-in Disney one. Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck's on it, a bunch of them. We ended up getting $45 plus shipping for this. I can't stress it enough, guys. Disney Scentsy. and Disney in general, stuff moves. Keep your eyes peeled. You can't go wrong. And most of the time you can find it fairly cheap and you can turn around and sell it. There are a ton of collectors out there and they're always looking for something new. Yeti made an appearance in the video. So the next thing we sold was a lot of 1960 California island boat schedule brochures. We picked this up at an auction buy, super cheap, and they happen to be in there. Still a ton of stuff from that auction that I haven't even listed. $12.01 for these 1960 brochures. I think there was 6 of them in the lot or so, 6 or 7. Guys, brochures and postcards are 2 things that I will pick up, especially when the price is right. These have been a great seller for me. These are these Prada white dust bags. We picked these up. We picked up a big lot of these ones with some other brands mixed in. Paid $3 for the whole lot. We've been selling these anywhere from $6 to $9.99. And we even got more for the bigger ones, which I'm not sure made in this video or not, because I don't know what's in this video yet. But yeah, $6 plus shipping. These have been great. Guys, keep your eyes out for these dust bags, because people need them to put their shoes or their purses in them. This might have been one of the greatest Facebook finds ever. I see this item posted on Facebook for $10. My kids are screaming outside. But this lady had this listed for $10. I had no idea what it was. And somebody commented that it was for skiing. It was like for boat skiing. And I looked it up and I realized that the only one that was on eBay was brand new for $500. I thought to myself, for $10, I'm going to take this chance. So I messaged her, picked it up next day for $10. I listed it. It sold within 2 days for $150 plus shipping. It was a really good one out. If you look at the picture, I did charge $5.25 shipping, which was wrong. I did make a mistake there, and I honored it with the buyer, but this thing went in a priority mail flat rate envelope, and it ended up shipping out for $9. So super happy with that, and a nice quick turnaround. These next 3 items was a local purchase that I bought off a friend. He needed some money to buy some camera equipment, so I bought some of these off of him. These are this gold line art cards. If you know anything about them, it's from the Hall of Fame out in Canton, Ohio for the Pro Football Hall of Fame. They release these cards every year for each induction year. Now, sometimes they were signed, sometimes they were unsigned. These ones are unsigned, which people still want them for their collection. They can get them signed down the road. So we sold 3 of them here. We took best offers, but we sold all of them for $52 and a penny plus shipping. And these are honestly cool cards. Look them up. They're like a nice painting / sketch, nice and colorful, and they're really cool items. What would a What Sold video be without Tupperware or Yeti? But these are these 5 vintage Tupperware replacement top bell tumbler sippy cup lids. I didn't think these were going to sell. One was not in good shape, so really they got 4 good ones. $15 plus shipping. Guys, don't sleep on Tupperware. We mentioned it in all of our videos, and somebody else also mentions it. Commonwealth Picker. Tupperware does sell. Some of it doesn't. Most of it does. You just have to pick it up for the good price. This was a fun buy too. We paid $1 for this Dunkin' Donuts 2002 stainless steel tumbler. It's actually a really nice mug, but we don't go to Dunkin', and we have a ton of Yetis for our coffee cups. So we listed it. It sold within 2 days for $8.01 plus shipping on top of that. Glad to see this one go, and somebody's got a new cup and they're happy. Next up is this Nike VRS Covert Tour driver head. And it's a driver head only. There is no shaft on this driver. We paid a grand total of $10 for this at a yard sale. I didn't even look it up. I just knew that Nike golf clubs sell really well, and it's something that I'll always pick up when I see them. Picked it up for $10. We sold it within 2 days, which seems like a common occurrence for us at the moment, for $92 plus shipping. And yeah, if somebody throws this on a shaft, or if their driver head broke, they could just replace it. So this next item was from a local pick that we did with a viewer a few years ago, pretty much right after we started YouTube. And we picked up these rock climbing wall holds. Now, they're not in that great a shape. They are worn, but they will work. These wall holds are pretty expensive if you go buy them. So we ended up listing them. We ended up getting $10 for them. And honestly, they were sitting by our sink for a while for me to clean them, and they weren't making me any money there. So we ended up listing them. They did sell pretty fast for $10. Now, this next item, this is also something that I think sells too. When I was just looking at the picture to see what the next item was, this is something that I wish I'd start selling more often. It was a Cheesecake Factory $50 gift card. We ended up getting $45.29 for this. Now, after fees and taxes and stuff, you're a little bit lower than that. And you're probably thinking you spent $50 on this gift card you're losing out. Well, actually, we got this gift card as a gift. Now, we don't honestly go to Cheesecake Factory. There's really not one close, and where the one is, we don't like driving to it. So it was just sitting here for the past 2 years to where we didn't use it. So I checked the balance on it. There was still $50 on it. We listed it. It sold. Since this time of listing this gift card, we've also sold some other gift cards that we had laying around the house for maybe only a quarter less than what the gift card actually had on it. And we also shipped the gift card. So pretty much the buyer here spent $49.50 for this gift card. So they only saved 50 cents, but they're still saving money down the road buying this stuff. Plus, if you're buying on eBay, you can use your eBay bucks towards these gift cards, so you might be getting them way cheaper. So guys, keep your eyes open for these gift cards, and maybe you can make some money on them if you don't go to these places. And last but not least, this was this Coravin wine preservation system. This was a pretty unique item. We found it in an estate sale, and we picked this up along with some other stuff. We paid $20 for the whole lot. We listed this. We ended up getting $50 plus shipping on this. This was a pretty cool item. There's a couple other items we just listed too. So this lot is definitely going to make some money, and maybe those items will be in a future What's Sold video. But keep your eyes open for this Coravin stuff. It is very good, popular, and people buy it pretty quickly. So guys, that is the end of this What's Sold video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Also, leave a comment down below if you sold one of these items, or if one of these items that I just showed you is an item that you like to pick up. So stay tuned for more exciting videos from us. Hopefully some yard sale videos, some more What's Sold videos, and maybe just some regular life videos that we're going to post. We have a bunch that's in the working, making, edited, stuff like that. So that's what we have coming for you guys. Again, guys, thank you for all the support. It means so much for you guys watching these videos. It takes a lot of time to do all this stuff, but we enjoy it, and that's why we do it. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.